Hello, beautiful souls. Hello, and welcome to Ursula's Journey. I hope you all are doing amazing, amazing on this beautiful sunny day. You can see that, right? Praying that you're doing great, your families are doing well, and you just rose this morning, whichever time of day it is, with a leap in your spirit, beautiful souls. I have something I want to share with you all about this amazing item that I must continue to share and that I love. It is the actual Dynamo detergent, beautiful souls. I want to talk a little bit about this, okay? Because I know many individuals I have spoken with in many areas here where I live. They're like, is that good detergent? I'm like, oh yes, it's good detergent. But I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this detergent and why I like it. It's not only because it's $1 at the Dollar General. What we must understand is that when I'm sharing videos with you all, look at some of those items I've shared with you all. Dynamo is one, SOS Scouring Cleanser, the 409 detergent for dishwashing. Those are different items I grew up on, which I saw my grandmother use. So when we see those things on the dollar aisle in the Dollar General, the main thing is like, they're trying to bring those back. And somebody said, watch how the prices are going to increase. But you know what? We're going to rock and we're going to go with it right now while it's $1, beautiful souls. So I just hope you all are getting on some of those deals that the Dollar General is having. I need to go tomorrow. I'll be out, you all, and I'm going to probably go and look at the tissue and see what they have, because I stopped really well on my tissue. So now I'm using my Scott 4-packs, which is great. I haven't bought things in a month. So let's go ahead with this detergent. I actually looked up some things about this detergent because I want to share this with you all. Now, this actual detergent here, let's see, you all. This is the Powers Out Tough Stains, the Ultra Dynamo with Oxy Plus. We know we see many detergents with Oxy Plus in it, and this is some good stain detergent, you all, that kills the stain. And when I look this actual detergent up here on areas as it relates to the Amazon or what have you, these detergents were $19 and $20, okay? I looked a little further. Some people's trying to sell this detergent for a little bit more on their eBay shop, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about these detergents of the cost of the others I have as well. This is a great one. This is the last one I purchased, and I've used it in some things. Now, at first, my husband was skeptical because he likes Tide. Who doesn't like Tide, the long time detergent Tide? But I got to a point where the scent was just irritating my skin. It was too much. Even I put a little bit in there, it was too much. So I still use a little bit of Tide for the clothes, as he liked to use it for that, and a few towels. But the scent was so bad one time when I had washed sheets, and it was like I couldn't sleep. So I have to be aware of the scents, and that's why I like this detergent. But not only that, it is a great, great thickness of a detergent, you all. The next one I want to share with you all, I did get information about this here. The yellow cap, this is the Sunshine Velvetiver. Can't hardly say that. Boombastic Clean Dynamo, 4 times the Oxy Boost, and these all are 60 loads. At first, when I started with you all, they were 40 loads, but now, of course, for a couple of months, they've been 60 loads. This actual detergent here on Amazon is for $30. $30. Look it up, Amazon. $30, you all. And we know Amazon is an actual company that has vendors, right? They're the vendors that's bringing that in. $30. So that's going to show how good it is, right, as well. And follow other individuals on here, other people on here I'm watching that are making their own detergent. I can't think of the lady's name. She does a lot of growing on her patio deck, and oh, I wish I could remember her name, you all. And she talks about the detergent as well. And I'm probably gonna see if I can get her name and put her actually down here somewhere at the bottom of the screen. But the thing is that she talks about the detergent, and it is some great detergent. I'm with her on that. So this purple here, this is the Purple Wildflowers Boombastic Clean Dynamo, and it's a 4-time concentrated Oxy Boost. All of them have the Oxy Boost, and it's a hyperallergenic, and it says whitens and brightens. And I am a witness to this, you all. I am a witness to this. It does. I don't have any problems in towels or anything I'm washing with it about discoloration. I don't have it. And this purple top here, this was $29.99 on Amazon. It only had one left. Every one I was looking at only had one left. This is what I'm talking about. This is what we're looking for, things that are actually, we know that people have out there and we're using, but not only they're $1, beautiful souls, they are great. They clean your clothes and they do well. They do well. Yes, and the Oxy, we know how that works, right? Great, great. The last one I wanted to share with you all, this is the, with the clear top to it, this is the Clear and Free Bombastic Clean Dynamo Laundry Detergent. And this also is a 4-time concentrated Oxy Boost, 60 loads, which I love it. This lasts a while. It's just my husband and I. So the clear top, you all, it's it said, it had one on there also on Amazon, but said naked and free, and it only had one left, and that one was $16.99. So we go from $1 to things that are online for $16 to $26.99 and to $30. That's telling us something, right? So when I go in Dollar General, and there's one particular I go over my side of town, there's one I go to when I go into work. So they don't have any out there. Plus, I don't have time in the morning to say, can you go get some out of stock? But the one over here by me, when I went one day, about a couple of months ago, and I asked a young man, he said, his name was TJ. And I always remember him. I said, I remember you because my son, we call him PJ. And I said, do you have any? He said, yes, he went and got me a case. And a case, I think, is like 6 or 8 in a case. I said, just drop it in here. So there are some amazing people in the Dollar General. You can ask if they have any of those items there, and they will go get them for you. So I can't hold them all, but these are the different ones, you all. So I'm just going to show you here. This is the 2 here, the purple top and the clear top. Okay, 60 loads. Try it. I have sensitive skin, very sensitive skin all my life. Actually, the gentleman just cut our grass this morning, and I went out because they didn't close the gates for her baby, and I went out and they were coming back. I said, I got it, because I had to double check the gates, my husband and I started itching, so I had to come in and take a piece of Benadryl. So I'm very, very particular about my skin with anything that I use. So that's just me. So I know about that. Also, here are the other 2, you all, as well. I always say the yellow and green top. So I think the last one, as I mentioned, that I purchased was this one here. I didn't see many of these here. So when I see the beautiful souls, I go and I try to make sure to stock up, which my husband one time was like, why are you getting all that detergent? What are you doing with it? Well, right now, I maybe have 10 jugs down there, 10 to 12 jugs left, and I'm using it. So what I'm doing is I'll be going back probably this weekend sometime to see if there's more out there. And it's about stocking them up. That's important, and that's what I'm doing, right? Because we're on budgets. It's nothing wrong with being on a budget. I talk about that on my channel. I'm going to do more about that because I love the dollar aisles. I love shopping in my stores, the Dollar Generals. I love the Dollar Tree. I love my roses. I love thrifting. I love all those different things. I put a video yesterday about thrifting back at the thrift store, you all. I love thrifting. And tomorrow, my favorite Love Lady thrift store is going to have 50% off of all items except for the boutique items and something with a red tag. So I don't have anything in particular I'm looking for, but I'm going to be there. They open at 9. I want to go on early because tomorrow's the 4th. Get on back in the house and pick up fur baby food after that. But I want to go and look for some things. But that's the beauty of knowing that we can still have nice things, look nice, purchase nice things for cleaning, budget purchase foods on a budget. It's okay because we want to make sure that we have, and not so overstocked, but be plentiful to have. And like I tell people, I share. So when you see these items, you all, let me know how you feel about them. I know some people on TikTok was like, I remember that detergent. Other people that are doing Dollar Tree, Dollar General hauls, they were like, I remember this as a child. This is some great detergent. I wouldn't tell you differently. I'll tell you wrong or anything. And like I said, I have the most sensitive skin there is to have for anything. So the tide, for a moment, I started feeling myself itch. And it's probably, I don't know what happened, but something happened with it. So you all let me know how you feel about this, okay? So thank you all so much for coming in, actually watching this video, beautiful souls. I'm looking at my fur baby. Thank you all so much for your love and support. And if you like these type of videos, you all, which I love, if you're new, come on in, subscribe. Would love to be a part of the family. Don't forget to click the like button, share, and click that notification bell so you know when I'm coming back in with another video. So you all have an amazing, amazing day. Peace and blessings to you all. Talk to y'all soon now. Bye-bye.